Welcome. This video will demonstrate to you everything that you, as a student, need to know about the ePortfolios. Before we get started on how ePortfolios work, we must first understand exactly what ePortfolios are all about. ePortfolios are a place where you can display and discuss the significant submissions and experiences that are happening during your learning process. You can use an ePortfolio to display the projects you're proud of for more than just your instructor to see, talk about all the thought and work that went into your projects, and have a single place to share your work and experience. An ePortfolio can be an easy way to gather all of your work in one place, whether it's just for yourself or for others. Let's get started with exploring how you can create your own ePortfolios with SteamHub. Once you're ready to start working on your ePortfolio, you must click on the left-hand bar under Account. Then select ePortfolios. Any past ePortfolios you've created will be seen here. To create a new ePortfolio, click Create an ePortfolio. You can have multiple ePortfolios if you'd like. This can be useful to help keep the purpose of each ePortfolio clear. Once you've selected Create and you've named your portfolio, you can decide whether to make it public or keep it private. A public portfolio means anyone who knows the address of your portfolio can view it. A private portfolio means people can't find it or view it without permission. You can see it since it's your portfolio, but if you want to let anybody else see it, you'll need to copy and share a special link. When you're ready, click Make ePortfolio to get started. You'll be brought to a page titled Welcome to your ePortfolio. The Getting Started wizard can help walk you through the process of creating an ePortfolio if you ever get stuck. Go to the actual ePortfolio will take you to what a viewer would see. If your ePortfolio is set to private, you will see a special link you can share with others so they can see it. To change your portfolio to public, click ePortfolio Settings and check Make it Public. In recent submissions, you can view projects you have recently submitted in any of your courses. We'll come back to this soon. At the very bottom of your page is a link to download your ePortfolio so you can save it elsewhere, as well as the option to delete your ePortfolio if desired. Now let's take a closer look at how to start to build out our ePortfolio. ePortfolios are made up of sections and pages. Sections help to organize your ePortfolio into categories, and pages are where you can display individual projects. The list of sections is along the left side of your user window. Each section can have multiple pages shown on the right side of the window. To organize or add sections, click the Organize Sections link. Click Add Section to add your first section. You can rename any section by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Rename. You can rearrange sections by clicking and dragging them, and you can delete a section by clicking Delete. Click Done Editing when you're happy. You can see the list of pages for the current section on the right-hand side of your window. First, let's start by adding a new page. To organize or add pages, click the Organize/Manage Pages link. Click Add Another Page in order to add a new page. You can rename a page by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Rename, delete it by pressing Delete, and just like we did with sections, you can reorganize it by clicking and dragging. As we previously pointed out, at the bottom of the Welcome to Your ePortfolio page is the Recent Submissions section. You can quickly add past projects from previous submissions to new pages in your portfolio from this page. Just click the submission you want to add, and a simple dialog will pop up. It'll ask you what section you want to add it to, as well as what you want the page name to be. When you click Add Page, you will notice that it now appears in the list of pages on the right-hand side of your screen, and it takes you to this new page. Click Edit this page to learn more. The top section is the Rich Text Content. This is where you can add notes and introductions to your work to give context for what is being displayed. You can include text, add in videos, audio, images, and more. The bottom section is your course submission. This is where you see your project. On the right-hand side of the page are additional sections you can add in, including HTML or embedded content and image and file uploads. You can delete any of the sections you've added in by hovering over and clicking the trash can, or you can reorganize and move them using the arrows in the upper left-hand corner of each section. At the bottom of the page, you can decide whether or not you want to allow visitors to comment on the page. Click Preview to see what the page will look like to visitors. Click Keep Editing in order to keep making progress, or click Save Page when you're done. Click Back to Portfolio Dashboard to go back to the main page. Let's click into that new page we created earlier. New pages that you create manually will be entirely blank. In order to add content in, click Edit this page and add in the content you need. To add in projects from past course submissions, click Course Submission and scroll through to find your desired submission or project. Awesome work! You now know how to create and navigate your ePortfolio. We hope you find this tool useful to support you in saving and sharing your work.